These tech accessories are made from a majority of recycled products, so you can charge your devices while making an impact on the planet. Along with these products from Nimble being eco-friendly, they're also just simply great. Starting off with the power banks. These power banks come in a 10 and 20,000 milliamp option and have dual USB-C ports for charging multiple devices at once. They feature this nice lanyard loop, but if you don't like that, you can just take it off. They also come with a USB-C cable, which I find amazing that they included. But if you want a lightning cable or just simply a longer USB-C cable itself, Nimble's charging cables are a great option. They come in sizes of up to 10 feet, which is awesome because I can go just about anywhere in my room with it plugged in just about on the other side. It has a great knit material which feels great in the hands, along with support for fast charging. And when you need to find a wall charger to plug it into, Nimble's Wally charger is another good option. I like this wall charger because it has a simple design with two ports to charge a couple of devices at once, with a max output of up to 65 watts, which is nice for me because I know a good portion of what I plug in there will be charged at the fastest speed it can. So overall, I love all of these devices, and they make a perfect combination. So if you want to check out these products for yourself, I'll link them in the description. Also, make sure to subscribe. I'll see y'all next time.